Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm reviewing today for you guys the Glow Recipe Spa Kit. I believe that's what it's called, but it was a special that they had on their site itself. And that I knew about this was because I follow them, the skincare brand Glow Recipe, on YouTube, and they posted a video using this whole kit and said it was available on their site. So I was like, okay. I always buy the kits from Sephora when they have them on sale. So I'm gonna just invest and buy this. I'm gonna review it and see if it's actually worth buying, because it was $161 without the coupon. And if you are a first time guest on the site, you get 10% off. Honestly, to me that is expensive, so I was thinking it was more as an investment, because I do like Glow Recipe. I follow them, I use their products almost every single day. So it was not available on Sephora, it's just available through their site itself, so I will link it down below. So this is what they wrap it like, in tissue paper, and you open it. It looks like this. Even when you open it, it's more fruit. Everything's so cute. It looks like this inside. So some of the stuff that does come in the kit I knew weren't things that they sell on their website all the time. It was like other included things for the theme of this kit. So the first thing on top is this right here. This is a towel, I guess, for your hair. Yeah, it's a hair turban, so you can keep back your hair and do your skincare. Second thing that comes in this that goes along with the skincare, they give you a facial massage tool. So they give you a little pouch, and then it's so pretty. It's like crystal looking or marble looking, and then it's one of the ones that you use to flush the fluid out of your face. I personally like these out of the rollers, out of all the facial massage tools. I like this the best. I think they work the best, and this one actually feels really good quality. A pouch, and these are reusable cotton pads, I believe. Yeah, so they're reusable cotton pads. You can wash them, and you can put the, I believe you can put them in this bag right here and then just throw them in the wash, and you can reuse them. I've never used reusable cotton pads, so I will see how this goes, but they feel really soft. It actually is from a different brand, and it's a spot treatment brush. So it's like a rubbery brush. You can actually apply face masks, I believe, with this side, and then use this little bristle brush to, I guess, apply a spot treatment. Into the best part, the products. I'm going to show you what comes in mini size and what comes in full size. This is the mini size of their blueberry cleanser. This is their 1 ounce blueberry cleanser. So it looks like this. The thing you get is a mini size of their Glow Recipe sleeping pack. It's also 1 ounce. Looks like this sleeping pack. And then all of their watermelon products, they come in such a hefty glass jar. Next thing is their newest product, is something I haven't tried, and this is their Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I really wanted to try this out, so I'm glad they included this. This is really good, so I can try it. Looks like this. It is 0.85 ounces, and it's a moisturizing and firming sleeping pack. Next mini size items are for your lips. They include this one, but it's not from Glow Recipe. It's from the brand Sweet Chef, and it's a sugarcane and vitamin E lip sleeping mask. And it comes with this little applicator thing. I'm just gonna dig into it to see. It is really thick. I thought this was a lipstick or like a lip balm, but this is actually their Pineapple C Bright Serum Brightening Serum, which I do use. Honestly though, I feel like if you're gonna buy the whole kit, they should include a mini size serum, because look, this is gonna last me like 2 days. I mean, again, you don't have to use that much of it, but this is, come on, this is like a sample. Ones that are left in the box are full size, so they give you a full size banana moisturizing cream. So yeah, this is their banana souffle moisturizing cream. I personally like this better than the regular watermelon one, just because I have dry skin and this is really hydrating. So I do use this for my daily moisturizer. One is the Avocado Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I don't know if this is the full size. I believe it is. It's 0.5 ounces, but on the site it looked like it was the regular size one, so that's what that looks like. And it comes with a little applicator. Alright, so this is what you get for your skincare products. So they did cover a whole routine. So you have your cleanser, your toner, your serum, moisturizer, sleeping packs, lip sleeping pack, and eye cream. So they do give you all the steps you need for like a basic routine. And then this is what you get on the side: the towel for your hair, the cotton pads, the spot application brush, and then the facial massage tool. If you are a Glow Recipe fan like I am and like to use their products just in general, I would say that it's worth it, because I know for sure that I am going to use every single one of these. I do think though, if you are just beginning, I would just wait and just maybe buy their kits that are like under $50, so like 45, sometimes they have them $40, and just try out a few products at a time and not just get the whole thing, because you don't know, maybe you're not going to use something and you know, you don't know what you like yet. So I would just try little by little. But if you know you like these products, I would definitely say it's worth it. The only thing I'm just a little disappointed with is that this serum is mad little. Like, honestly, for the price you pay, I feel like they should give you at least a little bigger of a sample of serum. One other little thing is that instead of this application brush, which I know it's supposed to be like a spa theme, so they want to give you the tools, and instead of these cotton pads, I would personally just want to get like another sample, even if it was samples like these in the kit, just because the skincare to me is the most important thing. But I do think it was really nice. The towel is good quality, and then the facial massager is really good quality. So I am really happy that they included it in the kit, because I will definitely make good use out of it. But again, I could go do away with these two things and then just get more samples or more mini products. Okay guys, so that was my Glow Recipe unboxing review. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions about the products or the kit. I will try to answer it the best I can. Again, this is just on their website, and I think it is limited edition, so I had to cop it no matter what, because honestly, I use Glow Recipe every single day. I am a loyal fan to it. I've been following the owners and the creators of it on YouTube since before, I believe, before they even like came out with the brand. So they know what they're talking about, they know what they're doing, and the skincare products do what they say, which give you a glow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.